Hello students, can you hear me? Yeah, hello students, can you hear me now? Yeah, okay. Today's topic is straight lines to right a second class. Actually, last time we have scheduled, but we didn't discuss properly. That's why today again we are going with this straight lines topic. Right? Today we can discuss thoroughly. Once again, we can take the full screen. Yeah. All right. So here, okay now. So we are daily live sessions, in-session doubt clarifications, free material in our app, tips and tricks, PYQs. Next, admissions are open for 20 to 23, classroom plus online coaching, short-term crash course and regular. Okay, this is about our classes, online and offline classes, and about our app. Yeah, this is the information about our faculty. Okay, and if you use this code, if you use this coupon, then you can get the discount. Krishna started Krishna, started, and then call this one started. So session plan and weightage. So what about today's session plan and weightage? The session plan, yeah, today we are discussing about straight lines. Especially we can discuss about the different forms of straight lines. Okay. So here the first concept is intercepts. What are the intercepts? So suppose I'm drawing here the perpendicular, the vertical line. What do we call this vertical line? Vertical line is called as what do we call, sir? Vertical line. Vertical line can be called as y-axis in a plane, and the horizontal line is called x-axis in a plane. So let us take a point here. Suppose the point A we are placing here, and this is the origin. Then the distance from O to A, this is called x-intercept. This is called as x-intercept. And the part of the y-axis, suppose here let us take a point B, then the distance from O to B, this is called as y-intercept. This is called as y-intercept, right? Okay. Collinearity of 3 points. Collinearity of 3 points means, for example, here the point A is there, here we have a point B. These are on the same straight line. And let us take a point C here. If we connect these 3 points, we are getting a triangle. That means what? These 3 points are not, lying on the same line. So these are non-collinear points. We can call these points as non-collinear points. What do we call them? Non-collinear points. Clear? And then what is the meaning of collinear points? You can take a straight line, and these 3 points, the point A and the point B and the point C, A, B, C are lying on the same line. Then we can say these 3 points are collinear points. So here in this straight lines topic, how do we prove these 3 points are collinear points? Suppose A is x1, y1, and B is x2, y2, and then C is x3, y3. So these 3 points are collinear or not, we have to check. So to check that, first we can calculate the, here we have three methods. First let us see the method number 1. This is method number 1. Here we can calculate the distance between A and B, distance between B and C, distance between C and A. And then we can show that distance between any 2 points is the sum of the other two distances, like BC plus CA. Okay, or else we can show BC is equals to BA plus AC. Okay, or else we can show CA is equals to AB plus BC. Okay, now any one of these, if any one of these three conditions are true, then we can say that the points A comma B comma C are collinear. This is method number one. Now let us see method number two. What is method number two to say the to say the given points are collinear points? We have to calculate the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle formed by these 3 points. What are the points? A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, and the third point is C of x3 y3. If with these 3 points, if we calculate the area of a triangle that is equal to 0, then we can call this A comma B comma C are collinear points. And next one is method number 3. What is method number 3? Method number 3 is that slope of AB, which is equals to slope of BC. Slope of AB is equals to slope of BC, that is equals to slope of CA, that is equals to slope of CA. Then we can call this A comma B comma C are collinear points. These are the three different methods to show that the points are collinear. Clear? Next one is equation of a straight line. First let us see what is the general form of a straight line. What is the general form of straight line? What is the general form of a straight line here? The general form of a straight line is that ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where modulus of a plus modulus of b is not equal to 0. This is called the general form of a straight line. Okay, right. And now let us see some examples. What are the examples? X is equals to 2, or x plus y minus 1 is equals to 0, or y is equals to 3, and so on, etc. These are the different examples for equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line. Now let us see different forms of straight lines. Different forms of straight lines. Right. First one is a point slope form. Point slope form means one of the point is required for us. Let us take the point is x1 comma y1, and the slope, where the slope is m. Okay, slope is m. Then point slope form is required for us. Point slope form is required for us. That is nothing but y minus y1, which is equals to m times x minus x1. This is the point slope form of a line. This is the point slope form of a line. Y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. Clear? And then let us see one of the example. Find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line passing through 1 comma 2, passing through 1 comma 2, and has a slope negative 1 by 2. Okay, now find the equation of a straight line passing through 1 comma 2 and has a slope negative 1 comma 2, and has a slope negative 1 comma 2. So what is the solution for this question? Just now we have written the formula y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So here y minus y1, what is the given point here? Given point is 1 comma 2. Let us consider this point as x1 comma y1. And the next slope, what is the slope here? Slope m is equals to minus 1 by 2. This is the slope. So if we substitute these values into the formula, y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So that y minus 2 is equals to m value minus 1 by 2 into x minus x1 is 1. So that what we are getting here, y minus 2 is equals to minus x, minus into minus plus 1 whole divided by 2. That is nothing but 2y minus 4 is equals to minus x plus 1. Write everything one side, then we can get x plus 2y minus 4 minus 1 equal to 0. That is nothing but x plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the simple example to understand the point slope form of a line. Clear? Next one is a 2-point form of a line. When 2 points are given, let us take the 2 points are a is x1 y1 and b is x2 y2. and b is x2 y2, then the equation of AB, equation of AB equal to, see already we have learned y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. What it is passing to the point, first point, and having a slope m, and having a slope m. So here let us calculate the slope of line AB first. Let us calculate the slope of line AB. What is the slope of line AB here? The formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here we have same point, so same thing will come. Then substitute in the formula, so that therefore the equation is y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Send this x2 minus x1 this side, y minus y1 multiplied by x2 minus x1, so that y2 minus y1 times x minus x1. Okay, this is the two point form of a straight line. We can also write this. We can also write this as y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equals to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. We can also write this as like this. Okay, now let us see one example here. Find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line passing through minus 1 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 4. Passing through minus 1 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 4. So here 2 points are given, so compulsory 2-point form we have to apply. And then what do we do? First we can calculate the slope. So here slope m is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what is y2 minus y1? 4 minus of minus 3 divided by minus 2 minus of minus 1. So 4 plus 3 divided by minus 2 plus 1, which is equals to 7 divided by minus 1, that is minus 7. So slope we got. After that we have to substitute the values into this formula. Y minus y1, that is minus 3 divided by y2 minus 4 minus 3 equal to x minus x1, that is plus 1 divided by x2 minus x1 minus 2 plus 1. So what we are getting, y minus 3 divided by 1 is equals to x plus 1 divided by minus 1. So that plus x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation of the line passing through the points minus 1 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 4. Okay. Next one is what? Slope intercept form of a line. Slope intercept form of a line. So here let us take the slope. Let us take the slope is m, and then intercept. Intercept means we have two kinds of intercepts here. First let us take the intercept. Y intercept we can take. Y intercept is b. Okay. Then the second case, in the second case we can also take x intercept. Okay now. So here y intercept is b means the line is passing through the point 0 comma b. Already we know the point slope point form of a line, that is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, that is b, equal to m into slope m is m only into x minus x1 is 0. So what we are getting here, y minus b is equals to mx we are getting. So y is equals to mx plus b. Y is equals to mx plus b. This is the slope intercept form of a line when y intercept is given. Now here x-intercept is given. When x-intercept is given, the straight line is passing through the point a comma 0. Let us take the x-intercept is a, then the line is passing through a comma 0. So that the equation is y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. So here y minus y1 is 0, m times x minus x1. m times x minus x1 is a. So y is equals to m times x minus a. This is the equation when we have given x-intercept and slope. When we have given x-intercept and a slope. So let us see the examples here. First, example number one. Find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line. Okay, which cuts the x-axis at a point minus 3 comma 0 and the slope is minus 1. And the slope is minus 1. So first we can write what they have given. What they have given here, slope m is given. So what is slope m? Minus 1. And next the line which cuts the x-axis at a point minus 3 comma 0. That means x-intercept is given. What is given? X-intercept is given. How much x-intercept? Minus 3. Then the equation of a straight line. Then the equation of a straight line. What is the equation of a straight line here? Equation of a straight line is y is equals to m times x minus a. This is the formula, no sir? So what is m here? Slope m is minus 1. X minus a is x-intercept, that is minus 3. So plus 3 we can get. So finally we are getting the equation y equal to minus x minus 3. Then x plus y plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the equation of a straight line having x-intercept minus 3 and slope minus 1. Okay. Next, example number 2. In example number 2, find the equation of a straight line. Find the equation of a straight line passing through 0 comma 7 and having slope minus 2. And having slope minus 2. Then here m is given minus 2 and y-intercept. What is that y-intercept? Y-intercept is given b is equals to 7. Then what is the equation? Y equal to mx plus b. Then y is equals to minus 2x plus 7. That's it. Okay. So here what we are seeing on the screen, that is about our app. Download our app for great discounts on our courses. Okay. And while taking admission also you can use the code what I have shown in the beginning. That code also if you use you can get the discount on the course. Okay. And this is our app. Once you can go to the Play Store, you can get this app. And here what do we provide? We can provide the study material in the form of free handwritten notes or free study materials, previous year questions, and next free mock test. Okay. Yeah, link in description. Link in description. So here this is about the Spark Store. In the Spark Store we can get long-term courses for 22-23, crash courses for 22-23, mock test and previous year solutions, full-length test study materials, and we can get the coaching for JEE Mains, NEET, MCET, IIT Foundations, IELTS and more. Okay, high quality courses with great offers and discounts. So don't be late, buy now. Right. Next, what you are seeing on the screen, that is offline classroom. Yes, offline classroom environment, that is. So here in offline classes we have short-term coaching from 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. and regular coaching timings from 9 p.m. to 9. Sorry, regular coaching timings are 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, and already crash courses are started and the 3 to 4 batches are running now. Next, we have the branches in Narangud and Mehdipatnam. For more details, you can contact the numbers which are there on the screen, like 9133380172 or 8977525461. Okay. Next, online coaching. So here, online coaching, the live courses like JEE Mains 2022 and MSET online coaching for 2022, and then a live course NEET 2022. Okay, now if you add your coupon here, if you enter your coupon code here, then you can get the discounts on this online coaching also. These are the daily live sessions. We can say common live sessions or daily live sessions. So you can attend the classes through this daily live sessions also. Okay. Next, yeah, common live sessions and test details. Okay. Yeah, what is our methodology? What is our Spark Academy methodology? What is our methodology? We can teach basic concepts, and then we can teach shortcut methods. Then we can discuss all the model questions. Then we can practice exercise questions, and then we can practice PYQs. Then we can conduct a chapter-wise test, weekend test, grand test, and test analysis. Okay. And why to choose a Spark Academy? Because highly experienced faculty are there, and we can get personalized coaching. Okay. And process oriented coaching, personal mentoring and doubt clarifications, and then a limited batch size. The batch size also limited, right? Access to the classroom, hybrid coaching, yes. Online coaching, no. Access to online, yes. Hybrid coaching, online coaching, both are possible. Books are there in hybrid coaching. In online coaching, no books. Online study material, yes, we can get in hybrid and online. Weekly test in hybrid and online, both we can get. Grand test also in hybrid and online, both we can get. Doubt clarification, yes, in online and in offline mode also possible. Clear? Okay, then let us see the questions here. Question number one: if the points sine theta comma cos theta and minus 2 root 2 comma 2 and minus root 2 comma 1 are collinear, then the number of values of theta belongs to 0 comma 2 pi is. So here, if the points is sine theta comma cos theta, first what points have they given that we can write here. Once again we can take another color. Right here, what are the points given? Sine theta and cos theta. This is the first point, and the second point is minus 2 root 2 comma 2, and the third point is minus root 2 comma 1. These 3 points are collinear. The better, yeah, these 3 points are collinear. Then if these 3 points are collinear, then let us take, this is A, this is B, and this is C. So the first one is the slope of AB. Y2 minus Y1, 2 minus cos theta divided by x2 minus x1 minus 2 root 2 minus sine theta. So what do you get here? 2 minus cos theta divided by minus 2 root 2 minus sine theta. 2 minus cos theta divided by minus 2 root 2 minus sine theta. What do you get? This is slope of AB. Always let it be. Then next, which is equals to slope of BC. What is the slope of BC here? Slope of BC minus 1 minus 2 divided by minus root 2 and plus 2 root 2, which is equals to slope of AC. What is the slope of AC? 1 minus cos theta divided by minus root 2 minus sine theta. So 2 minus cos theta divided by minus 2 times the square root of 2 minus sine theta, and which is equals to minus 3 divided by minus root 2 and plus 2 root 2. This is only root 2, and which is equals to 1 minus cos theta divided by minus root 2 minus sine theta. Okay, now Let us take any two and we can simplify. First, let us take first two. Then what do you get? 2 times square root of 2 minus cos minus 2 minus square root of 2 times cos theta, which is equals to plus 6 times square root of 2 plus 3 times sin theta. Okay, and from this you can write this as 2 cos theta minus 3 sin theta equal to 6 root 2 and 2 root 2. We can get here 4 root 2. Let it be first equation. And next last two, if we consider, minus 3 by square root of 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by minus root 2 minus sin theta. So minus into minus plus 3 times root 2 plus 3 sin theta, which is equals to root 2 minus root 2 cos theta. Then the root 2 cos theta send here, square root of 2 times cos theta plus 3 sin theta equal to square root of 2 minus 3 times square root of 2. Okay, if we try to simplify these two equations, let it be equation number 2. If we add up these two, minus 3 sin theta plus 3 sin theta gets cancelled. Here we have 2 cos theta, here root 2 cos theta, so that 2 plus square root of 2 times cos theta. Okay, now, and which is equals to, we are adding this, so here already 4 root 2 is there, and here minus 3 root 2 is there, it will become root 2. Yes or no? Plus root 2. Yes. And again here one more root 2 is there. So finally we are getting 2 times the square root of 2. And then cos theta is equals to 2 times the square root of 2 divided by 2 plus square root of 2. Okay, now 2 plus square root of 2. And simplify and check what value is this. Okay, what value is this? 2 root 2 divided by 2 plus root 2 we have got, and what angle of cos it is. So theta is equals to cos inverse of 2 times the square root of 2 divided by 2 plus the square root of 2. Okay, we can take this as let it be some cos alpha. Then here alpha is called the principal solution. Then if we try to write the general solution, then what is going to be general solution here? General solution is a 2n pi plus alpha. So this equals to 2n pi plus alpha. What angle we can get here? Cos inverse of 2 root 2 by 2 plus root 2. That is general solution. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Yes. And for different n values in this limit, here 0 to 2 pi means, here 0 to 2 pi means what it is actually only principal solution this is. I think we can get two solutions. I think we can get two solutions. Right? Here already places there. Okay, next question number 2. So what is question number 2 here? Find the equation to the straight line cutting off an intercept 3, from the negative direction of the x-axis, from the negative direction of the axis of y, and inclined at 120 degrees to the positive direction of x-axis. So here what they are saying, find the equation to the straight line cutting off an intercept 3 from the negative direction of the axis of y. If you draw the figure for this question, intercept of 3, so 1 2 3 here, this is a negative 3. Okay, this total distance is negative 3, this total distance is negative 3, and it is inclined at 120 degrees to the positive direction. And it is inclined, this is 120 degrees, 120 degrees. So Okay, now y-intercept. So what is y-intercept here? Y-intercept c is equals to minus 3. Y-intercept is minus 3, and then theta is equals to 120 degrees. Then we have a slope. What is the slope here? Slope m is equals to tan 120. So this equals to tan of 90 plus 30. Tan of 90 plus 30, which quadrant it is? Tan of 90 plus 30 is the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan is negative minus cot 30. So minus cot 30 is minus square root of 3. Y-intercept is minus 3 and the slope is square root of minus 3. Then the equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line. So slope is there, y-intercept is there. What is the formula? Y is equals to mx plus c. So y is equals to m. M is minus root 3 of x plus minus 3. So y is equals to minus root 3x minus 3. What do you get? Root 3x plus y plus 3 is equals to 0. Root 3x plus y plus 3 is equals to 0. This is the equation of a straight line. Okay. Okay, then let us see the next question. A man is walking on a straight line. The arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the intercepts of this line on the coordinate axis is 1 by 4. Three stones A, comma B and C are placed at the points 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2 and 4, comma 4 respectively. Then which of these stones are on the path of the man? Okay, JE means a 2021 question it is. Okay, JE means a 2021 question it is. So a man is walking on a straight line. The arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the intercepts of this line on the coordinate axis is 4. So man is walking on a straight line, it seems. That first point is clear. Arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the intercepts of the line. Arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the intercepts of this line. Let us take a straight line L. Let us take a straight line L. For this straight line L, we have intercepts A and B. Okay, now x intercept is A, y intercept is B. What they are saying, arithmetic mean of the reciprocals of the intercepts of the line. Reciprocals of the intercepts. What are the reciprocals of the intercepts? 1 by A here, 1 by B here. These are the reciprocals. Arithmetic mean. So what is the arithmetic mean? 1 by A plus 1 by B whole divided by 2 is 1 by 4 it seems, which is equals to 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by A plus 1 by B whole divided by 2 is equals to 1 by 4. From this what do you get? We can get 1 by A plus 1 by B is equal to 2 divided by 4. So that we are getting 1 over 2. 1 by A plus 1 by B is equals to 1 over 2 we are getting. This is the first condition, let it be. And then What they are saying here, three stones A comma B and C are placed at the points 1 comma 1. Okay, three stones. First stone is placed at 1 comma 1, second stone B is placed at 2 comma 2, and the third stone C is placed at 4 comma 4. Then which of these stones are on the path of the man? Path of the man is on this straight line. Path of the man is on this straight line, and with that x intercept and y intercept, if you write the line x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. This is the line. Okay, this is the line. Now you see, suppose the point a is on this line, we are getting, suppose the point a, that is 1 comma 1. Suppose the stone a is on the path of the man, then we can get 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1. Or now the point B 2 comma 2, the point B 2 comma 2 is on the path of the man, then we can get 2 by A plus 2 by B, which is equals to 1. That is 1 by A plus 1 by B, which is equals to 1 by 2. This is the second one. Suppose the point C is on the path of the man, then we can get a condition 4 by A plus 4 by B equal to 1. That is 1 by A plus 1 by B is equals to 1 by 4. So these are the three conditions we are getting here. But in the question they have given the condition 1 by A plus 1 by B is equals to 1 by 2. So which two are matching? This one, 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 by 2, 1 by A plus 1 by B equal to 1 by 2. These two are matching. So that B2 comma 2 is on the path of the man. Okay, which was asked in JEE Mains 2021. Okay, then let us see the next question. Okay, next question is, once again. Okay, the next question is, I can write a question here. If a straight line passing through the points P minus 3 comma 4 is such that it is its intercepted portion. Its intercepted portion. Its intercepted portion between the coordinate axis. Between the coordinate axis. Between the coordinate axis is bisected at P. Is bisected at P. Then its equation is, then its equation is, and this is a JEE Mains 2019 question. Okay now. So what they are saying here, if a straight line passing through the, if a straight line is passing through the point P minus 3 comma 4 is such that its intercepted portion between the coordinate axis is bisected at P, then its equation is. So the equation is, let us see the figure and we can see, sir. Let us draw the figure and we can see. So minus 3 comma 4, 1 2 3, minus 3, 1 2 3 4. So this is the point minus 3 comma 4. Okay, here we can see the solution. One, two, three. 1 2 3 4. So this is minus 3 comma 4. So this is the equation of a line. Okay, it is passing through the point minus 3 comma 4 is such that its intercepted portion between the coordinate axis is bisected at P. Its intercepted portion between the axis, this is the intercepted portion, this is the intercepted portion, is bisected at P, is bisected at P. That means what? So here this is the midpoint. Suppose let us take this point is some Q. This Q must be like 0 comma B, and this is like 0 minus A comma 0. Then minus A plus 0 by 2 is equals to minus 3, and 0 plus 4 by 2 is equals to 0 plus B by 2. 0 plus B by 2 is equals to 4. From this minus A is equals to minus 6, A equal to 6 we are getting, and from this B is equals to 8 we are getting. So that A comma B, finally A comma B equal to 6 comma 8. If A comma B is equals to 6 comma 8, then what is the equation of the straight line? The equation of the straight line is x by A plus y by B is equals to 1. So that x divided by A, that is 6, plus y divided by B, that is 8, equal to 1. Then here uh, we can get 4 here, and here we can get 3. So 4x plus 3y is equals to 24. 4x plus 3y is equals to 24 is the right answer. Clear? Right. Next question, sir. Question number 7. A straight line L at a distance. A straight line L at a distance of 4 units, L at a distance of 4 units from the origin, makes positive intercepts, makes positive intercepts makes positive intercepts on the coordinate axis, on the coordinate axis, and the perpendicular from the origin, and the perpendicular from the origin to this line, makes an angle 60 degrees with the line x plus y equal to 0. Then an equation of the line. Okay. So a straight line L at a distance of 4 units from the origin makes positive intercepts on the coordinate axis. So this is a straight line. There it is making positive x intercept and positive y intercept, and the distance is 4 units from here. Okay, the perpendicular distance is 4 units. And the perpendicular from the origin to this line makes an angle 60 degrees with the line. So observe this point, a straight line L at a distance of 4 units from the origin makes positive intercepts on the coordinate axis, and the perpendicular from the origin these two lines. What is this? And the perpendicular from the origin to this line makes 60 degrees angle with x plus y equal to 0. It is making 60 degrees with the line x plus y is equals to 0, not with this line. Okay, and here you get that what do I say, here it is like perpendicular x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to 4. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to 4. This is the line, but here we don't know the alpha. And to get this alpha, this perpendicular, see there, and the perpendicular from the origin to this line makes angle 60 degrees with the line. So it is making an angle of 60 degrees with the line. Here it is making 60 degrees angle. Okay, one more line is there. With that line it is making an angle of 60 degrees. What is that line here? X plus y is equals to 0. X plus y is equals to 0. This x plus y equal to 0 meets the x-axis at a point. It meets the x-axis at a point y0. X plus y is equals to 0. Right. So it is making angle 60 degrees with that line. Then what we have to get here? We have to get this alpha. And this x plus y is equals to 0 also passes through the points like plus 2 comma minus 2. Okay, so where it will be? It is like it is not here. It is not here, sir. This could be this side. and it is also passes through the origin, and it is also passes through the origin. That means the line will be here. This is the exact line. This is the exact line. Okay. With this line, this perpendicular is making 60 degrees angle. It is making 60 degrees angle. This line is making 60 degrees angle. This angle is 60 degrees. Okay. Now we have to calculate alpha, so that after getting alpha, substitute the alpha here, then you can get the answer. Okay. Thank you. Thank you one and all.